Hey guys, I have a tutorial to make to clean your water damage speaker in your phone, and it was very simple. You just have to download speaker cleaner, and then you have to download this song. Skip it to 2 minutes 5 seconds, and now do not practice volume and make sure the bass boost is max. And if like this, you click the equalizer and click the boost, max the bass booster, and now turn on this thing just like this. Click clean speaker and turn on the music. It's cleaning.